If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello, all. Welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about food fortification. That is regarding food fortification. So, what is this food fortification, friends? See, uh, rice is being cultivated, wheat is being cultivated, but before the rice, wheat coming to our food plate, it undergoes several levels of processing. It undergoes several rounds of polishing. In that processing stage, in that polishing stage, a lot of nutrients of these rice, wheat is actually going down. Since the nutrients are going down, since the nutrients are going down, we are not able to get the complete essential micro macronutrients. So we end up becoming malnutritious. There is rise in hidden hunger. Hidden hunger means when there is no sufficient nutrition supply is given, that is called as hidden hunger situation. There is a rise in hidden hunger. So whatever food we eat, since it undergoes different levels of processing, lot of nutrients are lost. So how to overcome that loss? Food fortification is one methodology. Food fortification is, put it simply, it is the external addition of nutrients to our food. Externally, you are adding iodized salt, right? You are adding iodine to the salt. Externally, you are adding iodine to the salt, so that when you eat salt, you also take iodine, right? So externally, let us add essential nutrients into our food items. So that is addition. So fortification is the addition of key vitamins and minerals like iron, iodine, zinc, vitamin A to vitamin D, etc. with rice, wheat, oil, milk to improve the nutritional content. Right? So can we add whatever nutrients we want into the food? No. So Food Safety Standard Authority of India has come up with a guideline. So if it is going to be wheat flour and rice, then you can add iron, vitamin B12 and folic acid. If it is milk and edible oil, you can add vitamin A and vitamin D. If it is double fortified salt, then if it is salt, you can add iodine and iron. When I say double fortified, that means two inputs are given. Okay, so you will see this kind of symbol plus F. That means that item is fortified. Next time when you go to supermarket, you buy some salt, sugar or whatever, milk, rice, just check for this logo. If that logo is present, that means externally nutrients are being added. So now you may get a question. Sir, if we add this external nutrients, taste will come down, price will go up. See, taste will be slightly, it might be affected, but you cannot identify or differentiate the taste. And price, yes, it might go up. It is said that it might go up by 1 or 2%. But the benefits are huge. For every 1 rupee spent on the food fortification, you get benefits up to 9 rupees. Right? So benefits are more, so we have to go for this food fortification. See, look at the nutritious condition of India. As per the National Family Health Survey, you will know that 67% of children are anemic, 57% of women are anemic, every 1/3 of the child is suffering from chronic undernourishment. Every fifth of child in India is affected by malnourishment, hidden hunger. So 70% in general are not consuming enough micronutrients. So there is no balanced diet. Either you eat more or you eat less. There is no balanced. It's high time that we protect our population, not just with food security, but we should secure them with the nutritional security. But the interesting news today is excess consumption of fortified food might have adverse effect. See, on an average, we need 10 milligrams of iron per day. Through fortified wheat or fortified rice, we might get around 2/3 of the iron requirement. But when we eat more rice, when we eat more wheat, or when we eat more rice and wheat, what will happen? That will result in, when we eat more rice and wheat, that results in more intake of iron. Maximum 40 milligram per day is the threshold limit. But when we have more than that, don't think that when you have more than that, we'll become more stronger because more iron. Don't think like that. When you consume more and more of iron, your body will stop absorbing other nutrients. So you will have deficiency of zinc, deficiency of calcium, and that will result in other diseases. Right? So this is the problem which was highlighted by the scientists. That is why it was in news.